Made it to Budapest, made it to the hostel. I am super excited because I saw all kinds of amazing things on the walk. But right now I'm hot as a mother and sweating like nobody's business. So I'm gonna take a little bit, relax, and then we'll go out and have lunch or dinner or dinner, whatever you want to call it. But first I gotta cool off. That's the plan. Alright guys, we'll talk in a bit. Alright guys, so not my typical day to film, but I'm on the hunt for some pants because chub rub is a thing. And yeah, I've got to go look and see if I can find a new pair of pants, which might be fun being plus size in a foreign country. Let's see what I can find. Alright guys, so this is technically my non-filming day, but I forgot to let you know what happened yesterday. So if you know anything about me, you know I'm a film nerd, I'm a history nerd. What you may not know is that I absolutely hate malls. It's the worst thing in the world for me to be in a mall, and it's because I worked in retail for so long, I just can't stand it. Unfortunately, like I said yesterday, I had a little bit of chub rub which caused a hole, and so I had to try to figure out where to buy some new pants. And I have to say, it was the worst 2 hours of my life, rummaging from store to store trying to find a plus size pair of pants is a nightmare and horrible and everything. However, I will say I found the store. It was alright. I found a pair of jeans. I pretty much paid the same as I would pay back home, so not too upset by that. Lord help me if I don't want to ever have to go into another mall. I know I probably will. On the upside, I did find a store called Media Market where I can get a wide angle lens. They were out of them now, but I can check back because then I can have it for my phone. You know, I've been pretty much rolling without one for a while. So yeah, yesterday was horrible. Yeah, so it all turned out well. I just wanted to give you guys an update, and for my curvy girls out there, the struggle is real, man. Like, I've never been so let me change hands. I've never been so happy to be from America, where I know I can go to Hot Topic, I can go to these places and I know they're gonna have the sizes I'm looking for. And the customer service is going to be on a whole different level than what I received here because it was not fantastic. Back home I would have walked out of the store, but I had no choice. It all turned out well. So there's my little update. Like I said, today is a non-film day. I'm just going to kick it, have some fun. I've been told that perhaps I don't look like I'm having fun, and perhaps I need to just live in the moment, so that's kind of what I'm starting to do. You might get some new things coming. But for today, that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow. I am on the hunt, before I go, I am on the hunt to go get the Budapest card so that I can get free transportation, bunch of free stuff, all that kind of good stuff. And it costs like 44 euros for 72 hours worth of that kind of stuff. So not too bad. All right, guys, let me get back on this hunt. See ya. All right, good morning, Shadows. And we are out and about getting ready to do one of the free walking tours that I get with the Budapest card. I'm also attempting to use public transport for the first time, so that's a little scary. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to go here or if I'm supposed to go to the other station. I'm gonna look here and see if I can figure it out. Fingers crossed, because I get free public transportation, so I said, hey, why not have that experience? And I left early enough that I think I'll be alright. It's not till 10 and it's about 9:15 now. So, fingers crossed. Alright guys, survived my first public transportation. Pretty easily done. The stairs were escalator was a little steep. Almost had like a little vertigo action happen. It was kind of spooky for a second. Made it to my spot. We're just waiting for everybody to show up, and then we're going to start the this is the Pest walking tour, so that is on the, depending which, right or left hand side. It's the one where all the cool big buildings are, so we're gonna have a good time. All right guys, so super cool. I hope you guys can hear me. brought out like a really cool like little taste tester thing. It kind of reminds me of like a churro, but they call it, I'm gonna butcher it, Kurtos kalach, or chimney cake. It's basically a Hungarian churro. It's good. Out this monument. There's two monuments. One the Hungarian, government put up. The other one is kind of a second one for World War II. Let's take so cool, and just gonna roam around now. The walking tour was fantastic, very, very informative. The only weird thing is that, and nobody else but me, but the walking tour leader looked like one of my ex-bosses, and it wasn't one of the bosses I actually liked, so that was a little unnerving the whole time. But we're gonna walk around Parliament, we're gonna take some pictures, and then yeah, check it out.